Hey, are you use credit card? Today I want to tell you about one of the best platform where rewards for paying credit card bills. Watch the video till the end for the whole information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me, watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video. Aww.
What exactly is Cred? Cred is an Indian fintech unicorn based in Bangalore, Karnataka, that was created by Kunal Shah in 2018. The key advantage of Cred is that it allows users to make credit card purchases through its software and rewards them for doing so. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. What is the purpose of Cred? Payments may also be made with debit cards, UPI, or Cred cash balance using the Cred app. Users are compensated with Cred coins when they pay with their credit cards via the Cred app. Cred points can be used to get discounts on online shopping, booking tickets, and making payments, among other things. Is the Cred app secure? The Cred app is excellent, and we strongly advise you to use it to pay your credit card bills. Is it really essential to have a high level of credibility? We usually get about 60 rupees in cashback for credit payments of over 1 lakh rupees per month. It's no longer worthwhile to use it for cashback. The points are essentially meaningless. The items on Cred can be purchased for a similar price from online retailers like Amazon, even after applying the points for discounts. Is the Cred credit score accurate? You will be admitted as a member of Cred until your credit score is reviewed from credit bureaus such as CIBIL, Experian, and CRIF, and it falls above the accepted eligibility score. You will be able to access CRED's curated collection of unique benefits and privileges once you have become a member. Cred makes money in a variety of ways. Cred makes money by charging companies a listing fee for goods and deals they choose to display to app users. Financial institutions are given access to the financial data obtained from users in order to pitch additional related deals. Is Cred Protect a free service? Is there a charge for Cred Protection? Cred Protect is a free service. You will not be charged a fee to use this feature of the Cred platform. Instead, this is a service designed to monitor any hidden charges that your bank may levy. What will I do with my Cred coins? In the Kill the Bill portion, which is a cashback deal, you can also exchange Cred coins for real cash. The cashback will be immediately credited to the credit card that you used to redeem Cred coins. How safe is Cred? Payments. It's best to make bill payments at least a week ahead of time because you never know what will happen tomorrow. Please contact Cred if it is delayed for more than 3 business days. Aside from that, never be concerned about your money. It is always safe. I hope you all really liked the video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share. Press the bell icon. Good luck.